What's going on, guys? It's Summo.
Says
back at it again. So today we got 1981 International. What is it?
1754.
1754. It's a dump truck. We use it around the farm to like move chips, move what else?
Tree balls, rocks, whatever you can think of.
Right. So we use it to move a lot, and they gave us a call that it wasn't the dump body wasn't working, wasn't lifting.
Yep. So first thing we did was we hopped under this thing and noticed that with all that fluid, something's got to be going on with the piston, right? Well, it's pretty apparent what's wrong. The piston's not a piston anymore.
The piston's not pistoning.
It doesn't do it. So what we're gonna do is we've already got the truck jacked up a little bit and supported so that we can get to the lines on the top and take the lines off so that we can drop these pins on both sides, drop this piston out of here, and then go get it rebuilt. So I'm gonna hop in under there in the back, take off those lines, and we'll see you when the piston comes down.
Alright, so we're underneath there. So that's one line off. We do this side, and then we have a pin here, pin all the way up there, and this bitch should drop out. We can bring it to the hydraulic store, have it fixed, get a new one, whatever we have to do. Probably a new one. I don't know. We'll find out. This is such a shitty spot. Oh, there we go, buddy.
There it is.
All right, and just like that. Oh, sorry. Watch out, fluid coming down.
Yep.
Got one line off, other line off. Now we can work on these pins.
All right, with those lines on the top of the piston being taken off, now we can worry about getting these pins out. So the bottom one's pretty simple. We have just this little pin right here. Pull that out. Now we should be able to get some support under there. Pull her out. And that should be enough. Just drop that right out. Yeah, I could say that piston's seen better days.
All right, so on the other side of the piston, it looks like we got these 4 bolts here. So we got to get these undone, and then the piston should just drop right out. Okay. Right here. Full strength. There we go. Alright, that one's moving. put a pry bar on it with nobody there.
I mean, it's broken. I'm gonna let it fall out of the
Yeah,
machine.
it's already broken.
It's already fucking broken.
Yeah. Don't hurt yourself. OSHA would not approve.
Huh? OSHA. What's OSHA?
OSHA who?
Try a couple whacks, see what happens. She's in there.
Yeah. Yay!
Was it?
Jesus.
That was really.
All right. Well, that came out.
Yeah, right. Roll it out that way.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That broke. Well, I guess we know what happened.
Yeah, it definitely broke.
All right. Well, we got to get this thing up to the shop, get it into the service truck, and we'll get it out to the hydraulic store, get it repaired.
Yep. Bring it up top, get it cleaned off, and we'll probably bring it over tomorrow.
All right. Let's do this.
Alright guys, so we just got back from the hydraulics store. They couldn't get us a new cap on this thing, so they just ended up resealing it and welding this cap back together. So all we're going to do now is we're going to get this thing off the truck, under the dump truck, and put it back in.
Let's get to it. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is, this thing was pretty hard coming off of this. This is one of the mounting points from that piston. So we're going to just flapper wheel it to try to get some of the rust off, and hopefully it slides out a little easier. right, we got the other end in. Now we just gotta lift this one into place and slide the pin through. Let's see how we look. Looking close. There you go.
First part of the pin's in.
Hey!
It's holding it up at least.
Hell yeah. All right, that's good news. Alright, so now that we got it bolt up in the front and the pin through the rear, we have to go ahead and put the lines back. So we're gonna good old Teflon tape over the threads and then screw those back in, and this thing should be ready to test the dump body. All right, so we got the piston on, we got the lines hooked up. So now we just gotta
Start her up, see if it lifts.
start it up, test out the bed, go check and make sure those lines aren't leaking, and that should be it. So let's see what happens.
That's all I got.
We're gonna put some fluid in since we blew the piston out, probably lost the majority, if not all. So put some fluid in and we'll check it out. See. Oh, there she goes.
Good sign.
That is a good sign. It's going.
A lot of air in there.
Yeah, there's a lot of air. Are you gonna dump all those chips right there?
Nope.
All right, guys, so that's it. We, we tested everything out. We checked the lines. Everything looked like it was nice and dry. The body went all the way up, all the way down.
Yep, there should no air in the lines now, so.
Yeah, now that we fully extended everything, there should be no air pockets. Maybe we'll double check again the fluid level, but other than that, it's a nice easy one. And well, it wasn't that easy actually.
Yeah,
it was some heavy shit.
Banging here, banging
yeah,
there.
I mean, so we had a couple things that obviously we had to do off camera. We fought it a bit. It was heavy. It was in a pretty crappy location, laying on our backs, in the dirt. Just, it's kind of our job detail is laying in the dirt.
Yep.
Doing jobs in a crappy position, but we get it done. Thank you guys for coming in. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more, and Sis,
We'll see you in the next one.
Let's go!